Hi, this is Heather with Keep It Simple Social Media, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add or edit the page roles on your Facebook business page. I'm going to show you on the mobile first, and then I'm going to show you how to do it on a desktop computer. So we're going to open up our business suite, and here I am on my business page and my Instagram account. I can do both Facebook and Instagram from the business suite. But what I'm here to show you today is how to add or edit a page role. So down in the very bottom, you see those 9 little dots. We're going to click there. And this is what I like to call the back end on a mobile phone for your Facebook business page. It is in here that you're going to click on settings. From settings, you're going to look down to where it says edit page roles. And we just click here. And this is where you go ahead and add someone. Now, I highly recommend that you have 2 people on as an admin. One is yourself, you own the business page. But the second person is just in case you get hacked or you do not have access to that business page for whatever reason, because things do go wrong on Facebook. So make sure that you really trust the person that you put on as your second admin, because that person has complete control to delete that business page. So you go ahead and click on Add Person to Page, and then you have to add your password. Once you've added your password, you can see it says type the name of the Facebook user you want to add. So you just click in there, and I'm going to add Catherine. And Facebook will find Catherine. You make sure it's the correct one, because as you know, my name is Heather Clifford, and there's 75 Heather Cliffords in North America. So make sure you actually choose the right person, and then you click on it. And then you choose, do you want them to be an admin, an editor, a moderator, an advertiser? It is at that point that you can just click what you want them to be. And of course, I trust Catherine, and I would love her to be an admin on my business page, just in case I ever need to access that page and I can't get on myself. So this is how you do it. You click add, and now all you have to do is wait for that person to accept your invitation to be an admin on the business page. Now I'm going to show you how you do exactly the same thing from your desktop computer.
Book business page, and I am going to show you how you edit or add a page role from the new look of Facebook in 2021. So let's go ahead and click on settings down at the very bottom on the left-hand side. And it is in your settings that what you're looking for in the middle is where it says page roles. We're going to go ahead and click. And now you're in here, and you can see the pending request from sending Catherine an invitation. But up here it says assign a new page role. And you can go ahead and put the person's name in there. And when you find that person, let's make sure it's the right one. There we go. And then you decide which role you want them to be. Once again, make sure that you know, love, and trust this person, because you are giving them a very big role as an admin on a business page. They can delete your page or remove you as the owner. And then you just click add. And once again, you have to add your password just like on the mobile phone. And submit. Now that person will be sent an invitation. As you can see, it's pending right here. And that's how simple it is to add and remove people. So how do you remove? You would just go over and you would click on it and you would add, remove, or you could cancel the invitations if you wanted to at that point. This is Heather. Remember, everyone, let's keep it simple.